Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm here with Culture Carton. This is a monthly subscription box for men. Each package contains a book, like an essential book for every bookshelf, and a themed assortment of lifestyle items. However, I know this is for men. I love this box. I end up using all the products. This is the standard box. It's $45 plus shipping. I have a coupon code TREE all caps for 20% off your first box. They do also have just the lifestyle items for $35 plus shipping, or just the book for $16. The boxes are always well worth way over the price. This is the Grossman box. So we're gonna look at this at the end because it's gonna spoil if we look at it first. Do you know what I'm saying? And it does give you all the retail prices, so you can kind of do the breakdown and stuff like that. All right, so first we have Work and Stiff's 10-piece manicure set. So there's a clothes brush in here, a comb, a spectacle, screwdriver, a nail cleaner, nail clippers, toenail clipper, cuticle scissors, eyebrow tweezers, nail file, multifunctional mini folding knife. Well, that's pretty cool. Whoa, look at all those items. What's this? This is everything. Wow. What is this? What did they say this was? I'm gonna have to look at that again. Oh, this is cool. My mom had one of those, whatever that is though. Oh, a clothes brush. Oh, that's a really cool thing to have. I don't have one of those. Do you know that? Isn't that terrible? I have a cat too. And she's pretty hairy. So there's all the items. I don't know if you could see before because I'm adult and didn't show you. So we have our clippers, our comb, an emery board, the clothes brush, a little manicure scissors, tweezers, a file. This looks like a little knife, and then like a little eyeglass screw. That's really cool. And you know what? My husband is obsessed with cutting. Like when it came to the kids, like I didn't cut the nails, he did, because he was on top of that. Like he was not living with kids with any kind of a nail. He's a weird dude. All right, then we have some Fellow. So that he'll like that. That's what I was trying to say there. How do I open it? Oh my word. What's going on here? I'm always afraid of, ooh, look at them fancies. Wow, they have like, I don't even want to touch them. The name is inscribed into the, see it there? Isn't that cool? Those are like bright. I actually really like those. Hello, beachwear. Ooh, those are really pretty. I like those a lot. I'll take it. And they have that cool case. All right, so next we have, what's this? Ballad edition. These looks like playing cards. Designed by Alexander Chin. Is it a game? Or is it like just, oh, I can't get it open. Oh, shining moments. There we go. Thought that was it. You're all waiting patiently. Thank you. All right, so let's see. Seasons playing cards. Our award-winning playing cards are designed to spark inspiring experience for the ultimate gentleman, the perfect talking piece for any occasion. These luxury playing cards feature handcrafted illustrations that embody class and sophistication. The craftsmanship involved transforms each deck from card to art. Play out or display and be curator of your own personal galleries. Let's see them. So they are just cards, but they're really different. That's cool. Look at how neat they are. I like those. Very classy. All right. They smell good too. It smells like a library or a bookstore, I should say. All right. All right, our final item is our book. It is A Horse Walks into a Bar by David Grossman, author of The End of the Land, winner of the Man Booker International Prize. Unsettling and mesmerizing, as beautiful as it is unusual, and it's nearly impossible to put down. All right, so here's like the wrap up. In a dive bar in a small Israeli city, Dov Greenstein is a comedian a bit past his prime. He takes the stage for his final show. Over the course of a single evening, Dov's patter becomes a kind of memoir, taking us back into the terrors of his childhood, and in the dance between comic and audience, a deeper story begins to take shape. As Dov confronts the decision that has shaped the course of his life, a story that will alter the lives of several of those in attendance, a poignant exploration of how people handle life's capricious battering. A Horse Walks Into a Bar is a searing story of loss and survival. I've never heard of this book. It looks really good, though. It looks like kind of sad, which is one of my things. I love sad stuff. All right, so there's the book, the cool playing cards, the awesome sunglasses, and this neato torpedo cuticle manicure set. Let's look at the prices and find out more about this box. This month features a collection of items that will make the transformation. Asheli, stop. Make the transition to spring easier. First, the Heron, a pair of polarized glasses from Fellow Eyewear. These classic frames will add a dash of style to your sunglass rotation. Next, a 10-piece manicure set from Work and Stiffs. This manicure set is the perfect size for travel or home. Finally, a way to stay entertained with or without the internet. A pack of limited edition Seasons playing cards. These 3 items will keep you looking cool and help you stay entertained this spring. Our book this month is A Horse Walks Into a Bar by David Grossman. This book takes place over the course of a 2-hour stand-up comedy set in Israel and explores the dark and interesting past of the performer. This book will make a great addition to your bookshelf. The book is $16. The eyeglasses are $79. The manicure set is $60. That's amazing. The Seasons Playing Cards limited edition deck of cards is $15. This box has a total value of $170, guys. It's amazing. So if you're interested in checking out Culture Carton, I'll link to them down below. I will also link to my full review where I'll go in depth, as I always do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.